Good morning, happy Friday. Oh my god, I'm super excited. It is finally Friday, guys. Oh, you know what that means? I love being home. I love working on my business and anything that has to do with money. So right now, I apologize for the noise in the background. Once it stops, I won't continue. I'm printing out some inserts. I have two sets of inserts that I'm printing out. The first one is from Marcia Ramucci, and these are her daily inserts. And I really like them. And I'm also going to be printing out Sierra's inserts, her new weekly. So, a couple things. And oh, there's about, I'm gonna say 3 sets. So as soon as that stops making all that noise, let's just jump into it because I have to get ready for work after I do this video. But I'm printing out inserts for my A5, which I love. I love, 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 love. I know. I love it. Let's just go over here. I'm printing out some dailies. So where are we? Oh. I should probably switch my business with my dailies. But anyways, I'm kind of disappointed because I didn't even, oh, it's the last week. Okay, fine. This is, okay, never mind. So, also I have new inserts from Sierra that are customized, and I talked about that, I think, in my last video. So, lots of inserts. Okay, that's all set. So what I wanted to jump on today was to show you guys my Erin Condren, and I had a lot of questions about that. I had a lot of questions about what is a 52-week saving challenge. A 52-week saving challenge is saving every week. There's so many different ways you can do this. You can do this with an insert. You know, typically people have an insert. I think I have one in here, to be honest. So I purchased these cute little, I'll show you. Okay. Here's this is a 52, this is a saving challenge. $10,000 in 52 weeks. So you're gonna save each week this amount of money. This is a little bit, it's pretty high. This might be difficult even for me because, you know, it's quite a bit of money you have to set aside every week. I don't have my glasses. This one here is the 52 week, and this one I feel is definitely more challenge. This is like easier for you to do. It's $100, $90, $80, $70. So 52-week challenge is saving money every week. I bought this from L Budgets. I just thought it was the cutest little thing. The only thing is, it's not labeled. That's not a big deal. Because what I can do is go to Staples and buy the little round circle, the tiny little circle stickers. Something very small. You know what? I probably already have something here in the house. Just get a circle dot sticker and label each one. So 52 weeks, right? 52 weeks is in a year. You're gonna pull it out. Whether you use something like this or you use regular paper envelopes or you use an insert, it's all the same concept. You're just saving money every week. So what I'm going to do is look for something that is big enough just to write a number on it, and then you're going to pull one of them out every week, put it in. Something realistic though, you know what I mean? Don't put something where you can't save it and it's too much for you because you don't want to get overwhelmed. So again, these are from L Budgets. I'm not sure if she's even making these anymore. This looked like a lot of work. And to share with you guys the different saving challenges that I'm going to be doing. And that's why I keep asking you guys, like, let's do it together. You know, let's do the saving challenges together. So all of the saving challenges that I'm going to do, I will share with you, and I will constantly be, you know, talking about it on the progress, because I think like when you work together, it's just more fun. All right, so let me just put this aside for now. Put that over there. So, all right. So this was the stack that I had yesterday at work, and at home. I was like writing in it before I started doing my orders. This is the weeks. This is the new one. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I'm still waiting for the stickers from Virgo and Paper. They should be here any day. Wait till you guys see those. I'll show you as soon as I get them. Then this is January. Oh my God, it's my mom's birthday today. I have to call her. I already sent her a card and a gift card. Drinking my coffee. I don't want to make this video long because it takes forever to upload. I don't know why. And then here we are for this week. So basically, I got my antibiotics. I went to work. I worked on orders every day. Okay, it's done. Okay, oh my God, that is so extremely loud. That was terrible. I'm so sorry. Wow. All right, so this is the weeks. And then this is the my Stayology, and this is where I write out, you know, just make my list, write out my notes. If I choose to take it with me, I have my orders in here. Just kind of like a list of what I need to do. Nothing super big. I put Wednesday and Thursday on one. You know, it's not like I'm doing a million things. I go to work, I come home, I make dinner, I change, and I work on my orders. You know, anything business related, I might have to write down, changing something, you know. Very manageable for me. And then the next one was the Erin Condren. I had a lot of people ask me about this. Now this one was my personal, this was my personal plan. I wasn't really like showing it off or, you know, showing it every day. So, it's like making all kinds of noisy buzz. Hold on a second. Sorry, but I have to just finish the rest. So I kind of just wanted something for the full year to show my progress, like with my business, with saving, maybe the saving, so saving challenges will go in here. This is just a messy planner. So this planner started in January. No, it started in September, but I took out July, August, and September out of my previous one. If you look really closely, I like snipped it very carefully, and I put, because I switched the planners because I had a horizontal, but I wasn't using a horizontal. I didn't need that. I just needed a monthly with some line pages. So I got another one, and I took out the months, and then I gave the other planner to my daughter. So here's July, and I basically just write out my bills. This is July. Then I have the sinking funds. The little stickers are from Papery Planning. Then I have August. I just list out my bills, you know, maybe a day off. I put sinking funds there. Cards I paid off. September. Sinking funds. August. Okay. Oh wait, yes. This is July, August, September. Oh yeah, September. Now we have another one. So let's just skip that because I already had September. Then we have October. And basically I was just writing out a list. Some of the, you know, it's hard to update everything when you're, you know, super busy with the holidays. So I list out my monthly bills. I have my sinking funds here. Online orders. I think this is, we're still in October. credit cards, balances, debt tracker, some blank pages. Now we're in November. Oh no, we're in December. So here we are, November. I don't even know what month we're in. And again, same thing. Like I put monthly bills. You don't need stickers. I was just making it fun, but honestly, I don't need stickers. Monthly bills, sinking funds, same thing. Online orders, debt tracker. I was making some Christmas, like just your own notes. I just have to stay consistent and just write everything in it. It's just been so busy that sometimes it's hard. This is December. I wrote down paydays. I wrote down the bills, monthly bills. These are the credit cards, like the debt snowball. I was trying to get all of the balances now. This is in my shop. I have like 4 different styles, and then I just took one of the Erin Condren little thingies and just put it right here. I thought it was really cute, just as a bookmark. I mean, I guess I didn't need it because there's a bookmark right behind it, right there. And then these are the sinking funds for December. Balance, what I took out. I took out $1,000 for Christmas. So I'm kind of still updating it. We are in December. What I added, I'm not finished yet. And then I still have some pages. So I'm going to be using online. Okay, so here I'm going to put online orders. Probably write out another, the Christmas list, everything that I've purchased for everyone. And that's about it. So that's why I like the monthly one. So I did have a lot of people ask me about this planner. So this is more of, you know, I would put like business, maybe what I made for the month of December. I would put in, you know, online orders. Just anything that has to do with money would go in here. Pay off credit cards, you know, it would all go in here. So this is what I use the Erin Condren for. Again, this is the monthly. I just decided to create, like, you can customize your own covers. And I really like this because it just gives me that motivation. You know, it's like motivating my business. I love it. I enjoy it. I love everything about it. And I need to just try to find how to take it to the next level where I can do this full time. So yeah, I have goals, but this is what I'm going to use my money for and write everything out. Now, I also received a couple other planners. So I'm not going to talk about everything because this is a very quick video. This is the Moxie Life, and this is the goal planner, which I am so excited. This is specifically for goals. I mean, I was amazed. I'm not familiar with this planner, but it's setting intentions, it's goals, it's weekly goals, it's monthly goals. Like, it is everything that I need to help me continue to do the things I want to do, like consultation, like coaching, you know, running my business full time, being able to make my pouches daily, not, oh, I gotta do it after work, I gotta do it, you know what I mean? I just have so many things that I want to do, and this is just amazing. Even look at this, has annual goals, and then here's your month. So this would I would probably use this for like personal and business goals, social media. And then you have January goals, weekly actions. What do I need to do on my weekly actions? So I have to read through everything. So these are the weekly. These are all weekly. Okay. And then, all right, and then we're starting February. So I would probably write out like Instagram posts I do daily. Videos need to be daily. Like, things just need to be, you know. So I'm just going to try to use this as my goals. Again, this is a Moxie Life planner. Again, this is just specifically for just goal, you know, tracking goal stuff. But yeah, so that is it for today. I know it's a very quick video. I hope it's not going to be super loud when I upload this with the printing. So I do apologize for that. If there's anything else that you want to see, or you want me to go a little bit slower, let me know. I think I'm going to be doing a video on sinking funds. I work right now, but you guys have a wonderful day. And again, if you have any questions on anything that I talked about today, please let me know.